Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another cleaning video. We're going to tidy up the house and do some weekly cleaning. So we will have tons of cleaning motivation in this video if you are in need of it. And I'm also going to show you guys how to do a simple DIY embroidery wreath. And I'm going to be putting it above our bed. So I'm very excited for this video. And today's video is also a collaboration with my friend Morgan Byland. She is on YouTube as well, and she creates mommy, lifestyle, DIY content. Her modern farmhouse style is beautiful, and I get tons of inspiration from her. So she also has another DIY YouTube channel, and her husband have a separate DIY Instagram page as well. So I will have both channels, her blog and her Instagram, linked down below. I know you guys are going to love Morgan as much as I do. Alright, we're starting out in the kitchen. I'm just going to pick everything up in here and take out the trash. It is trash day in our house whenever I was filming this video, so I was trying to get every last bit out there so they could pick it up. And then I'm also going to get my sourdough starter all mushed up and ready to go for the day. I have to mush it up like every 6 days, and then I feed it, and then I mush it 4 more days, and then I'm able to bake with it. So the sourdough bread has been an adventure. Let me know if you guys have tried it out, but it is really good. Now I'm just going to clean everything off the countertops, and I usually wash my dishes by hand, you guys know, but I figured today I was going to take advantage of the dishwasher, so I'm going to unload it first, and then I'm going to reload it and stick all of the dirty dishes in there.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not.
I also wanted to quickly mention that I know these days have been so off, and with everything going on in the world, it can sometimes be really hard to get motivated. I know it's been a struggle for me lately, so if you are feeling down about everything and just saddened by it, you're not alone. I've taken a lot of time off of Instagram, and I just haven't felt like posting anything, and honestly it's been hard to get motivated throughout the day. So this is the first day that I really did a lot of cleaning and getting stuff done around the house since it all happened. So I hope that we can just join together, educate ourselves more, and just try to do better and be better and support each other through this. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I am praying for you and praying for everyone through this time.
Playing songs on my guitar, I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't want to be dragged in a box.
Okay, you guys have to let me know, are you a Keurig person or a Nespresso person? If you are a coffee drinker, let me know which one you prefer. I kind of go back and forth, but we recently got a new Nespresso machine, and it makes bigger cups of coffee than the one I previously had, so I've been loving that one, but let me know what you guys prefer. Now I'm just going to wipe down my countertops off with this Method Daily Granite Cleaner in the Apple Orchard scent. It's my go-to, my favorite all-time cleaner for my granite countertops. and I even use it on my stovetop and it works great. So I'll have my Grove Collaborative link down below if you guys want to get some cleaning products for yourself. They always have a free 5-piece set for new customers, so if you guys need some cleaning stuff, that's definitely the place to get it. That's where I get about 90% of my cleaning products from. Having a clean kitchen is the best feeling. I don't know if my kitchen is dirty. I feel like the whole house is dirty, so it felt good to get that done. And now I'm moving into our bedroom and I'm going to make the bed and pick up the room and kind of tidy everything up a bit. Of course, I have a little bit of laundry to put away, like every cleaning video it seems, but I did want to let you guys know that I haven't forgotten about the giveaway that I'm going to do here on YouTube and Instagram. I am waiting for everything to come in. I didn't think about whenever I ordered some things how long it would take to come in, so I'm gonna figure out what I need to do to try to get them in quicker, or maybe I can just go to the store and pick some stuff up, but I'm really excited about it, so be on the lookout for that giveaway. Brooks decided he wanted to help with dusting. This is his go-to chore that he always likes to help out with. Now I'm quickly going to clean our master bathroom. I'm just going to clean the countertops down. I like to get a washcloth really hot and then I spray my Method bathroom cleaner all over the countertops, and I'll also use it on our toilets. And then I still love the Clorox toilet wand for cleaning our toilet. So that's the two products that I'm going to use today. And that's pretty much it in the bathroom. I also later on swept it out, and I didn't have time to do mopping or the shower and tub, so I'll probably do that later on this week, but I wanted to just get a surface clean. I'm gonna finish up the cleaning with a little bit of vacuuming just to make the rooms feel extra fresh and nice and clean.
We got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
Alright, time for a little DIY. Sometimes it's the little things that you can do during the day that make such a big difference and are such a mood booster. So for me, I like to do things with my hands and get creative, and this was a really inexpensive DIY. I wanted to do something different above our bed in our master bedroom, so I thought a embroidery hoop kind of arrangement would look kind of neat and different. So I went to Hobby Lobby and got a couple different embroidery hoops. They weren't on sale, but I was able to go multiple times and use the 40% off coupon, and honestly, none of them were that expensive anyways. I also picked up this floral garland when it was 50% off, so I think it was like $12.50. After it was all said and done, and I'm just cutting it up and adding it to different pieces of hoops, and I'm going to attach it by using a little bit of jute, and I just like to double knot it, and then I will cut off the excess string, and then I'm just going to lay them out and kind of see how I want the hoops to lay on the wall. And this is what probably took the longest time. So I went ahead and took the old sign that I had up above our bed down, and I started with the biggest hoop first, and I just went ahead and used the nails that were already up there from the previous sign. That way I didn't make any more holes, and I just played around with it and seen where they would look good at and try to just go off of that accordingly. And then I pulled each hoop down individually and added more greenery to them. You could also use floral wire if you didn't want to use the jute, but that's just what I had on hand, so it works. And then to attach the hoops to the wall, you could do one of two things. You could put nails in the wall and let the hoops sit on the nails, or you could have some jute string hanging from the nails. That way the hoops kind of hung down a little bit and overlapped. So it's totally up to you, but here's how it turned out. I love how it looks. I think it adds a really unique flair to our bedroom, and I love this pop of green for summertime, and I think it'll be fun to switch out for the seasons. But I think I'm also going to add more hoops as I go, and each time I go to Hobby Lobby I'll pick up a few more, but I really do love this project. So if you have somewhere in your house that has dead space, you might give this one a whirl. So let me know if you do and tag me. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'd love to connect with you guys more. Don't forget to check out Morgan's video as well. She's doing a fun wreath DIY too, and I can't wait to watch it. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure your bell notification is on. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.